Hello everyone, and hope you guys going well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to copy links in Notion, and that's pretty simple. So open your Notion app, and from the left side, go to the page that you want to be copy, and at the right side, you can see these three dot options. Simply tap on here, and in here you will find out this copy link option, and there will also see a key which is Ctrl and L. So either you can choose this manual way or you can command Ctrl L. So simply tap on this copy link option and your this page is copied. Now go to the other Notion page where you want to add your this page, and in here copy paste your this link, or in here you can find out two options. First one is mention and second one is URL. If you want to mention your this page, simply tap on this mention option, or if you want to keep this option just like URL, you can choose the second option. So as you can see, I have chosen this option. Whenever you will just tap on these options, this one will take you to your previous page that you have copied. So that's the way how we can copy links in Notion. And hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion. And keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.